Another sleepless night. You're up again at 2 a.m., shuffling to the bathroom for the fourth time. That familiar pressure building in your lower abdomen like a ticking time bomb. The weak, stuttering stream that barely trickles out is a mockery of what it used to be. And as you stand there in the dark, waiting, hoping for relief that never fully comes, you realize you're trapped by what doctors are now calling prostate circulation strangulation, a hidden blood flow crisis, slowly choking the life out of your prostate gland. Right now, poor circulation is creating a stranglehold around your prostate, cutting off the vital nutrients and oxygen your gland desperately needs to function normally. Think of it like a garden hose with a kink in it. No matter how much water you try to push through, nothing flows properly. That's exactly what's happening inside your body at this very moment. You've probably felt the crushing weight of this problem pressing down on your life like a vice. The embarrassment of having to map out every bathroom location before leaving the house. The shame of waking up your wife night after night as you stumble out of bed. The growing fear that your masculinity is slowly slipping away, one weak stream at a time. You've become a prisoner in your own body, and the walls are closing in faster than you ever imagined. The worst part. This isn't just about inconvenience anymore. It's about losing your dignity, your confidence, your sense of being a man. Every trip to the bathroom becomes a reminder of what you've lost. Every interrupted conversation, every rushed exit from a meeting, every declined invitation because you're terrified of being caught without a bathroom nearby. These moments are stealing your life piece by piece. You've probably heard about improving prostate circulation through simple methods, maybe drinking more water, doing pelvic exercises, or trying herbal teas. And yes, better blood flow to your prostate absolutely can help reduce that painful swelling and pressure you're experiencing. When circulation improves, inflammatory compounds get flushed out, nutrients flow in, and your prostate can finally start to heal itself naturally. But here's the brutal truth that nobody wants to tell you. Those basic circulation tips you've been trying are like bringing a water pistol to fight a forest fire. Sure, a few pelvic squeezes or an extra glass of water might provide temporary relief, but they're completely powerless against the real circulation destroyer that's been sabotaging your prostate for years. You see, your prostate isn't just suffering from poor circulation, it's being systematically starved by what researchers are calling vascular inflammation cascade. This is where chronic inflammation creates scar tissue in the tiny blood vessels feeding your prostate, essentially building microscopic dams that block nutrient delivery. No amount of simple exercises or hydration can break through these hardened blockages. This is why prescription medications keep failing you. They're designed to treat symptoms, not restore the damaged circulation pathways. They might temporarily relax your muscles or shrink some tissue, but they do absolutely nothing to repair the underlying vascular damage that's choking your prostate. In fact, many of these drugs actually worsen circulation by creating additional side effects that compromise your cardiovascular health. Even worse, surgical options like TURP are essentially admitting defeat. They're literally cutting away parts of your prostate instead of addressing why it became unhealthy in the first place. It's like removing part of a plant instead of watering its roots. The circulation problems remain, which means the issues almost always return, often worse than before. Let me tell you about Robert, 58-year-old construction foreman from Ohio, who was facing the exact same circulation crisis you're dealing with right now. Robert had tried everything: the pelvic exercises, the dietary changes, even expensive prescription medications that left him feeling dizzy and nauseous. He was getting up 6 to 7 times per night. His stream had weakened to barely a trickle, and his wife was starting to sleep in the guest room because of the constant disruptions. Robert was at his breaking point when he discovered something that changed everything. He learned that his prostate circulation problems weren't just about blocked blood flow. They were about missing the specific nutrients that could actually repair those damaged blood vessels and restore healthy circulation from the inside out. You see, your prostate requires a very specific combination of circulation-boosting compounds to heal itself. Nitric oxide enhancers to open up constricted blood vessels. antioxidants to reduce inflammatory damage, and specialized plant extracts that can actually rebuild the tiny capillaries feeding your prostate. Without this precise nutritional combination, all the basic circulation tips in the world won't make a lasting difference. This discovery led Robert to a breakthrough approach that doesn't just temporarily improve circulation, it actually restores the health of the entire vascular network surrounding your prostate. Within just a few weeks, Robert noticed his nighttime bathroom trips dropping from 6 to 7 times to just once or twice. His stream became stronger and more consistent. Most importantly, he started sleeping through the night again, waking up refreshed and confident for the first time in years. What Robert discovered was a specialized combination of circulation restoring nutrients that work together to create what scientists call vascular regeneration, the actual repair and rebuilding of damaged blood vessels around your prostate. This isn't just about improving blood flow temporarily, it's about fixing the root cause of circulation problems, so your prostate can heal itself, naturally and permanently. The key is understanding that your prostate needs 3 specific types of circulation, support working simultaneously. Immediate vasodilation to open up constricted blood vessels, anti-inflammatory compounds to reduce vascular damage, and regenerative nutrients that actually rebuild healthy capillary networks. Most approaches only address one of these factors, which is why they provide limited, temporary relief. But when you combine the right nitric oxide boosters with powerful antioxidants and specific plant extracts that have been scientifically proven to restore vascular health, something remarkable happens. The blood flow to your prostate doesn't just improve, it gets completely restored to healthy, youthful levels. This allows your prostate to receive the nutrients it needs to reduce swelling, improve function, and maintain optimal health long-term. This is the missing link that makes all the difference between temporary symptom relief and actual healing. Right now, there's a short presentation that explains exactly how this circulation restoration process works and reveals the specific nutrient combination that can help restore healthy blood flow to your prostate in as little as a few days. This presentation shows you the exact, scientifically backed formula that thousands of men like Robert are using to restore healthy prostate circulation and reclaim their lives. You'll discover the specific nutrients that can repair damaged blood vessels, the optimal dosages needed for maximum effectiveness, and why this approach succeeds where everything else fails. But here's what you need to understand right now. Every day you wait, the circulation damage to your prostate gets worse. Those microscopic blockages become more hardened, the inflammatory damage spreads, and your symptoms intensify. The men who get the best results are the ones who take action immediately. Before the vascular damage becomes irreversible, you have 2 choices facing you right now. You can continue struggling with weak streams, sleepless nights, and the constant embarrassment of an unreliable prostate, watching helplessly as your quality of life deteriorates further. Or you can click the link below this video right now and discover the circulation restoration. It's a method that's helping thousands of men experience stronger flows, peaceful sleep, and renewed confidence. Don't let another night of interrupted sleep rob you of your energy and vitality. Don't spend another day planning your life around bathroom locations. The solution is waiting for you, but only if you take action now. Click below to access the free presentation that reveals exactly how to restore healthy circulation to your prostate and get your life back. Your future self will thank you for making this decision today.